Do you know one number that will predict how long you will live? It's not your blood pressure, it's not your weight, it's your VO2 max. VO2 max measures how much oxygen your body can consume during periods of intense exercise. Basically, how strong is your heart, lungs, and muscles. Studies have shown that people with higher VO2 max live longer regardless of their age, weight, or gender. Boost your VO2 max by high intensity training. Short bursts of very hard all-out effort for 2 to 3 minutes, followed by 2 to 3 minutes of rest, and the cycle repeats for about 4 to 5 cycles. Train consistently and you will slow down the age-related decline. So remember, VO2 max is your longevity score.